going. Whoosh! Damn. Najua ameshtuka like ameshtuka yake. Yaani amegongwa vitu zake zikaanguka hata kama Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this vlog. My name is Nancy Gadoni and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I want to take you guys along. I'm heading to town because I want something fixed, and that is my phone. I think it was early last year. Was it early? No, it was mid last year. I think it was around June or July. Yeah, I needed a new phone, so and I wanted a change of kind of brand because I've been using the same one brand for so long. So I wanted a different, something different. Yeah, you know, when you change something, it comes with different applications, different softwares. I know you understand. So I needed a change kidogo. Someone recommended Redmi, and I bought Redmi. After a while, it had some software issue, so I had to return it to their customer service. That was last year. So I went there and they requested me to have another phone with me because they will be staying with this phone for a while, for like I think 1 or 2 weeks. For me that one was a bit hard, so I had to go back with my phone, and it was hard to release the phone because it had a lot of my stuffs. I had a lot of things. Some were, hey, I couldn't just let the phone go. So that was it till today. Yeah. So it still has the same problem. So I decided to just have it fixed. So I'm going to their customer service. I want to go with you. Hope kijana hajatoa vitu zangu. Receipt iko hapa jo? Okay. Yeah, here is the receipt by the way. Let me confirm the by the way, I've not even confirmed the date. Oh, it was on it's 9. The date was 9th July 2024. So 1 year warranty is still there, so I'm not even worried. So I'll be taking the phone to their customer service to have it fixed. Now I'm ready to leave it for, even if they'll stay with it, but I'm hoping they will not stay with it for long because I really need that phone. I can't stay without it for long. So guys, I want to take you guys along, so stay tuned. Cheers. So guys, my outfit of today I'm on a very simple outfit, as you can see. But then I love simplicity. Okay, I don't like something that is kind of tiresome or stressful. I like it this way. So this is my outfit of today. So let me just put it this way. Yeah, hi guys. My camera is nice outside, but in the house it is really disturbing. It's not clear in the house, but outside is clear, very clear. See?
Selfies on the stairs.
Yes. Selfies on the stairs. You want to say hi? But you're a student. Students are not allowed to say hi on the cameras. Yes? Yes. Huh? It is like that. You're not supposed. So I know you already know this hood. So here I'm heading to take a matatu so that I can go to town. Yeah, you already know this hood. Into the stage. Yeah, take a matatu. And it's very sunny. Very sunny. I'm currently in a matatu. I hope it doesn't stay long because I'm a bit late. I'm having a class in 2 hours time, so I don't want to get town. This is Manyanja Road. Just look the way these people have. They build a lot of beautiful stuff. This is Jogorod, Panaisha kwa DC. So we are still on our way to town. Yeah. Hivyo mnaweza ona kwa barabara. Guys, I'm already in town. This is Nairobi, Kenya. Let me show you some parts of this beautiful city of Nairobi. Yes. So as I told you, I'm heading to Redmi customer care. I can't remember the name of the building, but I know the building, but the name I can't exactly remember the name of the building, but I know the building. So dile nini KICC, alafu these are government buildings. The treasury iko hapo, Harambee House iko pale mbele. So this one is like a can walk, but I'm going to use the shortcut instead of going straight. I prefer using this shortcut. There are lots of people. A lot of people on these streets. So guys, I'm already in Nairobi. This is Nairobi. What I'm showing you is Nairobi. Though I'm in a rush because I'm heading somewhere. Simnana Nairobi, no, Nairobi City, the capital city of Kenya. So we are going. Whoosh! Damn. Najua ameshtuka, like ameshtuka yake. Yaani amegongwa vitu zake zikaanguka, hata kameumia yake. Oi, ameumia sana. Najua amepanic. Like wewe hata unaweza simama hapo. Si ni kutoka tu. Aki woi. There is an accident hapa hivi woi. Amefanya kukimbia. Guys, that was an accident. I do want to record it because I hope people record when there is danger. I don't like such happening, so I had to cut my video. This is Nairobi, Kenya, guys. Indian Nairobi, Kenya. I came late. I want to get there before 6. I want to get there before 6 because they closes at 6. So I'm showing you how Nairobi, in a nutshell, how Nairobi is. It's a beautiful city. It's a beautiful city. I want to show you ICC gate. ICC. So this is our city hall, where the office of our governor is. That is our city hall. This is our lockets. Your lockets. I want to cross like that. This is our locket, guys. So I don't want to pass that office. Like this is a called City Hall. Nairobi City Council Assembly. That one is our city hall. So, Toronto restaurant. Yes guys, I'm in a rush, but at least you're able to see how Nairobi is. But then Nairobi is so beautiful. It's a very beautiful city. Nairobi, though there are lots of traffic, there is a lot of traffic because it's rush hour. Yeah, most of the people are going home from work, so it's always on traffic, especially in the mornings and evenings. Si mnaona how Nairobi is. So this is Nairobi City. I'm heading to Redmi Customer Care. It's along Kenyatta Road. Is it Kimathi Road or Kenyatta Road? I think it's Kenyatta Road. Yeah. That is it. Yeah, Nation Center. Hope you can see the white building, the tall circular buildings. That is Nation Center. It's a national media station, TV station. They also have radio stations. It's a media house, in short. So in short, it's a media house. Okay. I'm late. Woo. So here I am heading to Kenyatta Avenue. That is Bank of India. Hope you can see Bank of India there. See the traffic. The traffic. Oh, sorry. Will I remember the building? Yes. Surround. So I remember the so and them Dela and them bank. So in a nutshell, this is Nairobi. This is how Nairobi looks like. Then Nairobi is beautiful. It's a beautiful town. It's a beautiful city. Yes, beautiful city. Okay. Do I really remember the building? But I do. Not that bad. It's around this place. Oh, I can't remember the name of the building. Then Techno House. The traffic. As I told you, it's rush hour, so most of the people are going home because it's around 5:30. So most of the people clock out at, I'm sorry, I meant clock out. Most of the people clock out at 5, others 5:30. Oh, it's not this We're either in this other building. Yes. I think I'm still lost. I'm still lost. I'm getting lost, Jameni. And I was here. But the thing is, I know where the building is. It's only that I don't remember the name of the building. And I can't miss it now. I'm on check. On check. Now I'm on check. This is we're heading to GPO. This is Nairobi City. See, this city is beautiful. Cindy, do you agree? Drop your comment and let me know. Just drop your comment and let me know how Nairobi City is. And this is some parts of Nairobi. You know, I've not taken the whole Nairobi. Some parts of Nairobi. Yeah. Yes. My phone is battery low. See. Okay, hopefully I'm on track. Hopefully, but I'm not lost by the way. You see the way Nairobi is beautiful and the traffics and all those stuffs. I'm here. This is the building, guys. Any customer care, you should man up. You guys have written you open at 8 and you close us at 6 p.m. And I came here, I was told you close at 5 p.m. You know the sacrifices some of us make to at least try and be there, and you guys are. Guys, me in the chicken inn, ordering some chicken. You remember me telling you guys that I don't pass chicken inn? That is true me. I usually pass chicken inn. So me, let me just call it a lunch because I didn't take lunch. Look at my nails. So that is it, guys. That's it. I did pass chicken in. This is chicken in, guys. So this is my outfit of today. So me in Nairobi, my phone is 15%, like 15%. Let me be keen on the road because 15% is gonna end.
The apartment that I've rented is all
So yeah. So this is how I look today. This is how I look.
bad boy. Bad boy. Bad boy.
After all that, I'm now heading home. You can see the traffic is okay. So guys, where I feel tired, I'm already home, though a bit late. So I didn't manage to fix my phone because I got there 30 minutes late. I thought they were closing at 6 p.m. because it is indicated in their website that they open at 8 and close at 6. But instead I was told they usually close at 5. So I had to return home with my phone after wasting my time and energy. So let me check on that. Please indicate the right time in your website. Yes, that was a waste, and that was a waste of energy and time to me, and I didn't like that. But anyway, so I'll have to go back tomorrow to get it fixed, because it has to be fixed. It has to be fixed, by the way. It has to. And I had to return first because I had a class from 8 to around 9, so I didn't want to get late. But anyway, so thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. To my subscribers, shukran sana. To the ones that are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. We are, as you know, it's a road to 500k 500 road to 500, not 500k, road to 500 subscribers. But for sure we reach to that 500k, I know. Yeah, as we said, positivity. Yeah, we are positive minded people, so we are going to make it, and we will make it. For sure we will, for sure we will. So good night, guys, depending on still on where you're watching this vlog. Good night, have a lovely night. In Africa it's already late. I believe in other places it might be morning, probably. I'm not sure, but depending on the time you're watching this vlog, have a lovely how beautiful Nairobi is. See how beautiful Nairobi is. Ooh. Ooh.